Okay, so I wanted to make a video on how to get the transcript information off of the YouTube videos that sometimes students are asked to watch and then go back and respond to questions regarding those videos. And if they're like me, I'm not an auditory learner, so I can't listen to the video and answer the questions. I need to see the print, I need to see the words, and read it myself and reread it so that I can comprehend and then answer the questions. So on the videos, and it'd be great if all the videos that they have to do this with had this. Unfortunately, they don't all have this, but when they do, let's use it to help us with those questions. So you go to the nice little three dots that's down here. We're going to have show transcript. You can then go and hyperlink all of that so you can copy and paste it. And as you can see, it's a lot of information for this particular video. And so you hyperlink it all. I'm going to just go ahead and copy it. I'm going to go into a Google document and I'm going to paste it. And if it's not big enough for me to read or something like that, I can go and change the font, but this is okay the way it is. Then the other cool piece to this is once you have done this part of it, you can then hit Command F or Control F, and it brings up this lovely little box, and you can hit in the keywords and those questions, and hopefully it can, bring them to where their answer is. Or it might be something where there is a lot of those keywords, and that's okay too. So like this one for income, we have 2 times that it's going to exist. So it's going to highlight those keywords, and it's going to bring you to the area where it exists in that transcript. And then you can read over and then hopefully answer those questions that you may have regarding income. I hope that this is helpful. I'll put up some images on a Google slide document as well, so you can look at that and see if that could be helpful. Just wanted to share this, and so that we all could be knowledgeable and find the best ways for us to learn and grow.